If I said that this barcode scanner was practically indestructible, what would you say? I know what you'd probably say, and that is show me. And later, I will show you how tough this barcode scanner actually is. But before I do, I want to tell you a bit about the Zebra DS3608 barcode scanner. Now, as you can see, this barcode scanner looks a bit different to some of the other barcode scanners that I've shown you, because this one is designed for rugged environments such as those in the warehouse and in manufacturing. It's got that highly visible outer colour scheme, so of course you can find it easily. But I'll tell you what, it's just such a rugged device. Now, it needs to be, because you're going to be using this a lot in the warehouse. Now, it's a cordless scanner, which is perfect. You don't have those unsightly wires you get tangled up in, so it's good from a safety perspective. But you can scan over 100,000 barcodes on one battery charge. That's easily an all-day shift. Charge it up overnight, you're ready to go for the next day of scanning. Now, if you've worked in the warehouse, you know how hard it is to scan barcodes. Sometimes boxes are far away and you need that long-range scanning. You've got to scan damaged barcodes. We can do that because we're using imager-based technology here that can scan 1D and 2D barcodes, and again, off all sorts of different surfaces from paper through to screens as well. Being the latest generation of Zebra barcode scanners, of course it's compatible with the data capture DNA suite that will offer you a host of different value-added features. You know, the DNA solutions really allow you to get more out of your barcode scanner, whether it be from configuring your barcode scanner through to multi-scan solutions and things like that. So you can always find out more. Just visit zebra.com to find out more about this DS3608 barcode scanner and of course the data capture DNA suite of solutions. Well, I tried my best to break it. I can't. It's a really rugged device. I gave it a test a bit off camera and it's working perfectly. So, DS3608 barcode scanner from Zebra Technologies. Perfect solution for out there in the warehouse or in manufacturing environments. And don't forget, whatever your scanning needs, Zebra is there.